Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how you can mine Fractal Bitcoin and how you can earn daily at least $20 to $25. So let's get started. If you don't know what Fractal Bitcoin is, don't worry, I will explain what it is, its use case, how you can mine it, and also how to buy Fractal Bitcoin. I'll also give you a price prediction for its future value. So let's get started. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I regularly upload high-quality airdrops and earning content. Now, as you can see, I'm using my laptop, but you can do everything on your phone as well. I'm using my laptop for comfort, but all steps work the same on mobile. Let's begin. Fractal Bitcoin is the only native scaling solution compatible with Bitcoin, which means it works on scaling the Bitcoin network. This is a big deal because currently, no one has worked on scaling solutions for the Bitcoin network. This project has massive potential, so don't miss out on it. Now let's check the price of Fractal Bitcoin, the total supply, and how you can buy it. Right now, it's trading at $26, which is almost 17% down from its all-time high. The total supply of Fractal Bitcoin is 21 million, the same as Bitcoin, and its current circulation is almost 1.7 million. This is a strong start for the project. It follows a 2-year halving period, unlike Bitcoin's 4-year cycle, but it's pretty similar. Plus, it works on scaling Bitcoin, which makes it even better. Now let's move on to how you can mine Fractal Bitcoin. There are 2 ways to mine. One is using GPUs, and the other is through cloud mining. Right now, I'm using cloud mining. There are many websites for cloud mining, but be careful as many are scams. Don't worry. I've found a legit site to mine Fractal Bitcoin. The website is called bitera.cloud. I'll share the link in the comment box and description box below, so just tap the link to get started. This website is a fast Web 3.0 Bitcoin hash rate distribution protocol, where you can mine both Bitcoin and Fractal Bitcoin without even opening your laptop. Just let it run in the background. And please note, I'm not a financial advisor, so if you make any investments, buy coins, or purchase mining plans, do so at your own risk. I'm just an educator. Once you're on the website, scroll down and tap the Buy button, which will redirect you to the homepage. First, connect your wallet by tapping Connect Wallet and selecting the wallet you want to use. I'm using MetaMask, so I'll connect it. If you're on your phone, you can use the Mises browser to install MetaMask. Once connected, you'll see 2 plans. One for Fractal Bitcoin hash rate and one for Bitcoin hash rate. You can buy either, but I'm buying the Fractal Bitcoin hash rate plan. There are 3 options: a 7-day plan for $9.90, a 14-day plan for $16.90, and a 30-day plan for $29.90. I'm testing this out, so I'm going with the 7-day plan. You can pay using various coins, but I'm using USDT on the Arbitrum network because it's cheaper. After submitting your order and paying, wait 3 to 5 minutes for confirmation. Once your purchase is successful, go back to the Bitera website and head to the My Miners section. You'll see 2 options, one for Fractal Bitcoin hash rate and one for Bitcoin hash rate, depending on which plan you purchased. I bought the Fractal Bitcoin plan, so I can see my plan is now active, with the start and end time shown. Once your plan is active, you'll start seeing your mining balance grow. That's it for this video. I hope you understood everything. If you have any doubts or need help, leave a comment and I'll reply. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I regularly upload high-profit airdrops and earning-related content, so hit that subscribe button. See you soon.